How to fix the 99% loading glitch in Marvel Rivals. It's really easy and simple, guys. So this glitch usually happens because you are using an HDD drive. Okay, that's where your game is stored. So if you switch your game and move it to the SSD, it will actually work. So you want to download this tool. It's called Partition Wizard. You can download the free version. And what you can basically do is you can go ahead and clone your hard disk drive to the SSD. And it's really easy and simple. Let me show you how you can go ahead and do that. So once you install the software, you're going to come here to the partition management section. Then click under wizard, click on migrate OS to SSD/HD wizard. And then just choose the first option that you like to replace your system disk with another hard disk. Click on next and then choose the folder where Marvel Rivals is located and then go ahead and transfer that to the SSD drive. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.